Hello, friends. Good morning. Rise and shine. Catch me on my breakfast. चले फ्रेंड्स, आज बनाते हैं मज़ेदार बन चीज़ ऑमलेट, वो भी मेरे स्टाइल में। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Most important meal of the day is the breakfast. Never miss it. Friends, on the channel there is an excellent recipe, cheese omelette chaat recipe, a must try. I will leave the link on the screen. Do check it out. चाहिए हमें bun. If you get small buns, take that. This also works fine. And some yummy cheese. We don't want the omelette to burn from bottom or from the top. Just for 2 minutes. We are going to add tomatoes, but only on one side of the omelette, because one person doesn't eat tomatoes. Ensure that you take a good pan, and you need to flip this, so you need to be very careful. Dun, dun, dun. We need this. मज़ेदार, perfect from below. The omelette looks little set from the top, so now we can add the bun. Friends, जैसे चाहो वैसे रख सकते हैं. Now time has come to flip this. There is a way. Wait. ये spatula से flip नहीं होगा. So I'm going to do a जुगाड़. Just watch. I'm going to use a better idea to flip this. Sorry, I spilled little ghee from the pan. Okay. चलो बहुत बड़ा था ये पैन भी और ये भी, but somehow managed. Okay, this is the outcome we need. So don't get scared, just do it. Just ensure that you don't burn the omelette. If you burn the omelette, it will not taste good. Ensure that the bread from bottom is crisp. Not bad. I promise you, your children are going to love this. इसमें मैंने टमेटो डाला है. Just going to add cheese. So you need a good pan, good spatula to turn this. और छोटे छोटे buns होंगे ना, you can flip it very easily. These are little big buns and they are little heavy. तो जरा flip करने में तकलीफ होती है. So be generous with your cheese. ठीक है. Mission accomplished, friends. The delicious bun cheese omelette for your breakfast is ready. All you need to do is take a nice plate, get this out and serve it. बहुत ही मजेदार. And to top this, get a very nice sauce and और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. That's it. This is delicious. Hope friends you enjoyed today's breakfast. Stay safe, have a lovely day. Until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.